your Cohesion classroom. In this lesson, we will take a look at how to model, count, write, and represent the number 0. At the end of this video, you will have access to our tips and takeaways, allowing you to focus on the content being presented. You can always access any of our tips and takeaways from the lesson page before or after watching the lesson. The number 0 shows a quantity of none. When using the number 0, there are no items to count. To build an understanding of the number 0, students must represent that number with a model and connect the number name. To model a number, you can use counters, connecting cubes, or a 5-frame. Let's take a look at how to model the number 0. Let's begin with a group of objects. Here are 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. If all the balloons pop, there are none left. To represent there being none left, we will use the number 0. There are 0 balloons left. Let's take a look at another example. Here is an empty fruit bowl. The bowl is empty to represent that there are 0 pieces of fruit left. Let's take a look at how to write the number 0. To write the number 0, begin with your pencil at the top and curve around to the bottom and curve back up to the top without lifting your pencil. The number 0 is spelled Z-E-R-O. The number 0 can be difficult to show because there are no objects to count. Be aware, students might try to count the original objects to find the answer. Let's look at an example from earlier. If there are 3 balloons and the 3 balloons pop, students might cross them off like this. Students might tell you there are still 3 balloons instead of correctly identifying 0. Students need to recognize that the number 0 will eventually act as a placeholder and have significant meaning in numbers like 10 and 100. Encourage students to use small objects at home so they can physically see the objects they started with and remove them when there is 0 or none left to count. To gain a complete understanding of this concept, visit the lesson set on Represent, Read, Write, and Count, numbers 0 through 5. Visit the Kindergarten Language Arts lesson, Letter Sounds, and Spell Simple Words Phonetically to help the student with writing the number words. Uniting students and families in learning, we are Cohesion Education. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.